What's going on, YouTube? We just hit a compression check on the Z31. Cylinder number 2, 70 PSI. So that's why we think we cannot get it to run right. I think we have a video of it starting and you can hear it. And we tried tuning it out a little bit. Wasn't working. All the other cylinders about 180 PSI. So we have one cylinder, the rings are just shot or the pistons broke. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll go through, we'll tear it down. I'm gonna start tearing things out tonight. Probably just do some time-lapse stuff and get everything set and good to go for an engine rebuild. We're thinking either a Ford's bottom end, keep it a 3-liter and up the compression, or should we go to like a 3.3 and stroke that? Let us know in the comments. What's going on, Nick?
You know, pulling the engine because it's dirty as fudge.
Yeah?
I need to pull it out.
Pull it out.
After putting the trans in, I might as well pull the engine out.
Yep, put trans in, take engine out. Works for me.
The clutch ain't gonna hold up anyways.
No, not since you decided to go unnaturally aspirated.
Yep.
And should we call it anti-naturally aspirated?
Yeah, basically.
Anti-naturally?
Is this thing on?
Yeah, word through the grapevine says you're going unnaturally aspirated.
Maybe.
That last video.
Something might be showing up on my doorstep on Monday.
Doorsteps, doorsteps. There you go, guys. That's what's up. What's going on, babe? How's nursing school?
Going.
It's going? Oh, yeah. How's the Beamer?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Much better. That's where I'm eating.
Sucks. Can't drive it too much in the winter. Although the past couple days have been okay, but the temperature's kind of like doing this really bad. So you have to be really careful when you drive the rear-wheel drive cars, because you could be fine in the afternoon. By the time the evening comes, slick. So.
Yeah.
She enjoys driving Grandpa Dan though.
I do.
Yeah?
I like Grandpa Dan.
What's up, son?
Not much.
Say, I heard we've got a rear end coming for the Camaro.
I hear we've got a rear end coming for my Camaro.
I'm not sure. I think we introduced it in a video like way back when, but building his 86 Z28. It's got a LS1 5.7 all aluminum.
Yeah.
So going to have that started. See some videos of that. He's going to be the main builder of that one. So that's a quick update, and yeah, hopefully we get this stuff in and running. We got springtime comes up awfully quick. See you later. All right, little update. Intake manifold is off. In here you can see how tight clearances these are with the taller injectors, with the aftermarket fuel rails. You can see how we ran that. It's all gonna come off though, unfortunately. Kind of sucks, but gives us a chance to clean everything up, and it gives us a chance to rebuild the engine. Okay, YouTube, little update right here. Radiator intercooler's out, turbo's off, wastegate's up here. Intake manifold's off, engine mounts are unbolted. The only thing that's left is the alternator and training bolts. We also have the heater core lines disconnected, fuel lines disconnected, so it's almost ready to come out. And then once it's on the stand, we can start worrying about a teardown. So you can see we've got it up on jack stands. Pretty sure everything's disconnected. Oh, we did alternator.
Yeah.
So we'll disconnect the alternator while he's getting this the engine hoist ready, and hopefully have this thing out of here in the next 10 minutes or so.
Must be nice when they have everything deleted.
Yeah, Nick over here. He's been recording that thing for like 2 hours, and it took us like 30 minutes to basically pull this motor.
And all they do is take the intake off.
Yeah. Some people just don't know how to work on cars.
We love you though, Nick. It's because you try. okay? It's because you tried.
2 gauges, it's done.
It basically.
Typical Paul. Everyone else works on his car. We watch.
Yeah. You could have left it down there. Just leave it down there.
I was going to do that. I was going to show everyone the alternator.
Oh.
Nope, not anymore.
Too late now. Alright.
This bracket's. Look, finger tight.
That was not finger tight.
Finger tight McGee.
It was not finger tight.
Finger tight. Torque to spec here at new speed, demonstrative for Paul.
I am new speed. Austin is new speed, and Nick, say hi. It's new speed.
It really doesn't suck. It's just it's an original freaking engine and nobody's ever touched.
That's all I hear.
What's it? This world's smallest violin.
I'm not the one that wanted a 2J.
I wanted a manual car. I wanted a 300
You know, I just noticed we're all 6 cylinders, and we're all going to be turboed. Nick has had several Z32s, which is his like favorite car. They should have kept, but he don't listen to nobody.
I was just discussing about the 300ZX with somebody, and they said I'd probably still take a 300ZX over a turbo Porsche.
Yeah?
No.
You say just kidding?
No, I'm not kidding.
Oh, not kidding?
No, I would take 300ZX over
Well, he ain't getting any women with either car, so.
the Porsche.
Alright, let's pull this thing on.
Let's pull this sucker.
Whoa! I was pushing it the other way.
Come on, Austin. Be a big boy.
Oh yeah, well, now I'll just keep going. Can you pull it towards you? Yeah. Right.
You guys almost got it out of there. So close. And it's leaking. You get, there's something still connected.
Oil.
It's good thing we got a little extra cable there.
You got like 4 feet of extra cable.
Oh, man, that was hot right here.
Figure out that now.
Yeah, almost works.
It will.
Are we going to take? Are we going to take the clutch off anyways?
Yeah. Wow, look how pretty that block is.
All right, guys, engine's out. We'll get on the stand. We're back.
It zoomed in. There you go.
push it one.